Hey guys, and welcome to another video. Today we've got the Xiaomi Mi M365 Electric Scooter in, and within that bunch we actually got a fake one. So we thought we'd take this opportunity to do a quick comparison between the real and the fake scooter. So straight off the bat you can see the differences between the real one and the fake one. You can just see the quality differences. But if we go ahead and start at the top of the fake one, you can really see the differences. Like, the quality here is just terrible and the actual buttons are completely off. To the real one, you'd be able to see this button here has a sort of on switch, and you can click that and then all the lights come on, and then the bell actually works on this one. If you click this, you obviously get the torch on. You can click turn it back off again. You double click it, you get an eco mode, and then you hold it down and turn it off. So on the fake scooter, the button doesn't even work, it doesn't turn on, the bell doesn't work, and neither does the button. So as we go down the fake scooter, you can straight away see the metal on this is not up to scratch really. It's poor quality, and actually if you look at the handlebars, if you pull on this, it just comes off. So that's straight away a safety hazard. Compared to the real one, which the quality of the metal is really crisp. As we travel down to the sort of wheel section, you can actually see straight away that the wheel of the fake one is completely different to the real one, and the actual quality of the wheel is completely off. This here is just a sticker compared to the real one, which is actually on, which is dangerous because if that came off then you'd have no reflection on it and no cars would be able to see you when you're on the road. Compared to the real one, you can really see this is all properly on. The wheel is actually a proper rubber wheel compared to the other one. The actual axle here is solid, whereas on the fake one it's just loose and it just feels like you might come off at any time. Coming over to this actual middle piece where you stand, you can just see that this rubber is just so slippy, and if you were on this in the wet, or if you were just on it full stop, you'd come straight off. And if you look at the real one, you can straight away see this rubber is quality rubber, and it has here this Xiaomi logo, and that's a key giveaway on all the fakes. They never really managed to get this logo down, and also the welding around here is also always off. A quick little note is under here you can see they have all the labels. On the real one you'll be able to see the labels are good quality and they make sense, compared to the fake one where the labels are just clearly just printed from a sticker and they're just awful quality and they make no sense. So that's a key giveaway again on fake ones. Coming across to the back wheel, again you can see the wheel is completely off. This actual brake is just so bad quality, and here we've got the actual braking system. And on the Xiaomi Mi M365 Electric Scooter, the braking is actually a disc, which makes it really efficient at braking and, you know, safe. But on this, it's got sort of a spring mechanism here, which isn't the same, and I just would not trust it. Compared to the real one's braking system, you can straight away see the difference. The disc is much higher quality, these bolts are different, and the actual braking system here, they actually have a sort of reflective part on the back so cars can see if they're behind you. That's just sort of an overview of the differences between the fake scooter and the real one. Straight away, a giveaway when you want to try and buy one online is usually on the picture or in the description you'll see sort of an official UK Xiaomi Mi M365 electric scooters. If it doesn't have that, then you know straight away your scooter is likely going to be a fake scooter. On the real ones, obviously they come with an official tag and receipt. Some of the fake ones do get replaced in the boxes, so you can't really go off the boxes alone because they might put a fake one in a real box. We've sort of gone over some of the more general differences. There's other differences like this one doesn't work. But yeah, overall, hopefully that was helpful and will help you identify if your scooter is real or fake. We'll put a link to scooters below on our website and on Amazon, so you'll be able to see and buy a real scooter there. So thank you everyone for watching, and I hope to see you next time.